Are you planning on going outdoors anytime soon? Then you'll need the Alpen 786 Kit spotting scope with aluminum case and micro-adjustable tripod. Released in 2008, this spotting scope kit conquered the optics market like a storm. Enjoy the outdoors with this 3 consecutive winner of Great Buy Award as seen in Outer Life magazine. This kit has everything you need from a sturdy and high-quality spotting scope to the most durable accessories that comes along with its package. It has a straight eyepiece scope with up to 20 to 60 times magnification and an 80mm objective lens diameter. It has fully multi-coated optics that delivers clear, sharp, and bright viewing. This scope lets you view in great distances with its powerful zoom eyepiece while you're in the comfort of your favorite bench. You have 2 views to choose from. Have a panoramic view of the field using low power and have a close-up view using high power. During those sunny days, protect your eyes from the harmful sun glare by using its extendable sunshade. This tough spotting scope can withstand any kind of weather condition since it is nitrogen-filled, waterproof, dustproof, weatherproof, rubber-armored, and shock-resistant. Take it anywhere easily with its portable aluminum carrying case and a micro-adjustable tripod. As always, enjoy Alpen's lifetime warranty that covers the workmanship and materials used on this product. Get this cheap yet durable spotting scope only at binocularsupermarket.com or simply click the link on the information box below to directly view this product. For inquiries, please call 1-888-896-9097. Order right now and avail of our limited time discounts while stocks last. Take the Alpen 786 Kit spotting scope with aluminum case and tripod on your next trip outdoors. Get it only from binocularsupermarket.com.